guys, welcome to my channel where we organize and make things beautiful. I'm Des and this is Sort and Style. Guys, the great thing about these little garlands is you can make so many things from it. Hey guys, if you want your garland to be a little bit thicker, look at this one. You can do the exact same process, just use 4 fingers instead. And you do the same thing where it goes. And you take each one over. Going to take our fingers out and put all the loops together, and we just take this end part of the wool and pull it through. And there you have your thicker woolen garland. And what I like to do is then you just literally tie it together. And then you can like feed this piece, either cut it and then just feed it through into here. I've tied them together and made a mini little wreath that I'm going to hang on my cupboard doors in my kitchen and on my internal doors in my house, like the bedroom doors and bathroom doors, and it's just going to look pretty. I'm just going to hang it with a red ribbon, and that's it. So I've measured out the ribbon already, and I'm literally just going to put the ribbon just like that, no bow or anything like that. And what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of blue. I'm going to try to get them the same height. And there you have your cute little wreaths. Guys, how we're gonna hang this up is we're just gonna use some double-sided tape. So let's go stick them up. Okay guys, that's the end of our DIY making little Christmas wreath video. I hope you enjoyed it. Those little wreaths are really great to just put in like on the doors inside the house. So simple, and it just gives it that extra little pizzazz, you know. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know if you tried it out. If you did, was it easy? Was it not so easy? Did I make it look easier than it actually is just because I'm so good at it? It really is easy, guys. Don't worry. Give it a try. And I'll see you soon.